ongoing or about to and in the process of filing na po ang House Prosecution Panel ng kanilang comment na nilatag po nung June 18 na gagawin, no, para po palamnan yung proposed stipulation of facts. To clarify, this comment seeks to expedite the process of the pre-trial conference. Ang punto po ng comment ay iwas delay, honor the process. Dahil po sa proposal, and we thank the clerk of court in their grace sa pag-allow ng pag-file ng written manifestations on the proposals of the stipulation of facts. We hope to save the impeachment court a lot more time dahil po compared sa oral na pag-iisa-isa ng mga facts and yung real-time na paglatag kung admitted or denied yung stipulations na ito, of which both parties will have many, no? It's now written, it will be submitted to the impeachment court for their entering in the record kung alin po yung facts and stipulations as proposed, ang admitted, ang denied ng both parties. Alongside a discussion on the stipulation of facts, no, meron po din tayong nilagay sa comment na request for specification. Ito po ay dahil napansin ng House Prosecution Panel sa pre-trial brief of the defense na karamihan ng kanilang mga witnesses sa nilistang purpose sa kung bakit po sila ipapresent, very general po ang wording. Pero clear po doon sa notice of pre-trial conference and clear din po sa practice of pre-trials in regular courts na kapag may nilalatag po na witness kung bakit siya ay ipapresent, meron pong purpose kung bakit siya dapat i-admit as witness. And at the end of the day, bakit relevant yung testimony na to. Ang gusto nating maprotektahan dito, no, yung oras ng impeachment court. We don't want further delay and we want to honor the process and the practices of the court kung paano nito, sa punot dulo, matitimbang yung relevancy ng mga testimonies of our witnesses and even the gravity of the evidence that will be presented. So, yun po yung laman ng comment that the House Prosecution Panel is currently filing, is processing right now. Nandyan po yung details, comments on the proposed stipulations of facts on the side of the defense, yung comment natin.
We also need to go through the list of the possible counter testimony or counter evidence that it would provide to the impeachment court. Mahirap na kasi pag general denial lang at saka general lang yung pagdi-disapprove kung ano yung magiging purpose ng mga witnesses dyan, di ba? So, we want to know exactly kung ano, ba't nila ina-adapt yung ating mga witnesses. If they will be treated as hostile witnesses by the defense, we also would like to know what are the purpose by which these are adopted as a common witness. For example, if I may use the common term, no? Kasi unang-una, we want the purpose of the pre-trial conference is to simplify the discussion. Diba? So in order to simplify the discussion, mas magandang pinpointed, targeted yung mga issues na pag-uusapan. Kasi yun naman din ang pin-provide ng House Prosecution Team. Sa pagkakalam natin for the past several months, even a year, sinasabi ang naririnig natin sa kanila is nag-fishing expedition daw ang prosecution team even during the confirmation hearings ng Committee on Justice. It appears now that sila ngayon nag-fishing expedition because we want the witnesses to appear before the court na initially talagang witnesses natin and then we don't exactly know and the court does not exactly know what would be the purpose by which they are to be treated as the hostile witness. So we want to know exactly kung ano yung magiging purpose sila sa defense kasi nga this is the time for them to provide the impeachment court reason by which itong mga witnesses na to ay kailangan din nilang ipresenta o tanungin. So ano yung magiging cross-examination nila? Anong magiging purpose nung pagiging witness din nila sa kabila? Para klaro po at mag-guide po ang korte at malaman din po natin kung ano yung magiging, kumbaga, ano yung mga specific na counter evidence or ano yung mga purpose na by which ang depensa ay di-disapprove nila yung claim ng mga witnesses natin. Hindi lang general na pagdi-disapprove lang sa kanila.
Can I add po doon?